Hello, everyone. My name's Candice. I'm the Outreach and Events Coordinator here at VIMS.
I'm Jason Pafford. I'm a volunteer at VIMS.
And we're here today to bring you the VIMS Marine Science Day 2020 Award Ceremony. So let's jump into it, and we'll start with the art contest winners. So for K to 8th grade honorable mention, we have Emma Connors, Ashley Olson, Paul Olson III, Bailey Ruzicka, Hadley Ruzicka, and Brady Torres. For 9th grade and up, honorable mention, we have Aaron Coles.
So K through 8th grade, 3rd place is Macy Aspel. Great job. 2nd place goes to Cora Wilkins. Wonderful. 1st place goes to Mary Ann Zyglock. Wonderful job. Moving into 9th grade and up, our 3rd place goes to Rachel Motley. 2nd place, Isabella Benavente. Wonderful job. That's gorgeous. And 1st place goes to Cynthia Vinson. Awesome. We have a grand prize winner as well, and that is Cynthia Vinson. Great job. You may have noticed this piece on our Marine Science Day 2020 t-shirts. You've seen some of the panelists wear today, all throughout the day. So congratulations, awesome job.
Nice job, congrats everyone. So for our Marine Life costume contest, our first round of honorable mentions include Blue the tabby cat as an anglerfish from Midlothian, Virginia, Poppy the Dotson mix as a lionfish from Missouri City, Texas, Avery a green sea turtle from Williamsburg, Virginia, and Duck the tabby cat dressed as a shark from Midlothian, Virginia.
And we have some more honorable mentions for you. Shepherd as a sea urchin. Ayushman, this is a fish costume for baby sister. We have Millie, the adorable little Millie, as a jellyfish. And Allison joined us dressed as the ocean.
Oh, very cool. So for most original plant or animal, we have Freddie the snail as a leaf sheep sea slug from Williamsburg, Virginia. Congratulations, Freddie.
For most creative use of materials, our winner is Adeline, an anglerfish from over in Williamsburg, Virginia. Awesome job.
For best family costume, the Shepherd family as Mama and Baby Shark.
Best representation of a plant or animal goes to as a clownfish from all the way over in Seattle, Washington. So glad you guys joined us. That's awesome.
So for pet costume, we have Mercy the Collie Lab Mix as Eastern Oyster, Crossostria virginica canis from Salem, Virginia. Very good. Love it.
Near my hometown. I love it. And our grand prize winner of the day, Quinn, the York River oyster bed from over in Yorktown, Virginia. That's awesome. Great job. Cool.
Amazing costumes, everyone. Thank you so much for entering the contest. We're really glad that we had so many entries, especially from around the country and potentially around the globe. And we also want to thank the Owens Foundation for sponsoring the costume contest. We couldn't do this without you. And also, we want to thank our audience on the Bay and around the world. We do Marine Science Day for you, and we're so glad that we were able to bring it to you during the current conditions and that you tuned in to join us. It means so much. A lot of people put in work for this, but it really wouldn't have been half a success without everyone who joins. So, Jason, any other words?
Thank you guys so much for making our first virtual Marine Science Day such a huge success. We had so much fun spending the day with you, and we can't wait to see you hopefully in person next year.
And don't forget, you can access this content for a full year. If you have any friends who might like this, teachers, parents who need things for their kids to do, they can still register. It's not too late, and they'll be able to access the content until next year as well. So thank you to everyone, and have a great day.